Hello class, today is Friday, May 8, 2020. And we're going to continue with the reviews. Acuérdate que repasamos antes de la clase. You are going to say the alphabet, ¿ok? Yo ya no te lo voy a decir, ahora tú lo vas a decir solito. So, tell me the letters. Good. Now here we have the types of hair. You already know the types of hair. Now we are going to practice saying she's got or he's got, and then she hasn't got or he hasn't got. For example, here, she's got brown hair, she's got brown eyes, and she's got long hair. Now for the boy. He's got brown hair, he's got short hair, and he's got brown eyes. Now continue with he. Okay, you have to continue with the others. And then you're going to say it in negative. For example, she hasn't got blonde hair, she hasn't got curly hair, and she hasn't got blue eyes. And then you're going to say it with the boy. Remember, we say he hasn't got for a boy. So, he hasn't got curly hair, he hasn't got green eyes, and he hasn't got long hair. And continue with the others. Okay? Now say the shapes, okay? Okay, very good. Now tell me this with the correct pronunciation of the TH. Remember, it's Now tell me the animals and the adjectives, please. And remember, here you have to practice your spelling bee from words 1 to 141. But remember, okay, so when you have this and this, you're going to say hyphen. And when you have two words, you're going to say space. For example, the first one, t-shirt, capital T, hyphen, S-H-I-R-T, t-shirt, playera. Remember, when you have a capital letter, you say capital and the letter. Then we have yo-yo, Y-O hyphen Y-O, yo-yo, yo-yo. Polar bear, P-O-L-A-R space B-E-A-R, polar bear. Now open your class book in page 84 and remember to write the short date. And please tell me, what animals and what things do you see? Okay, well done. Now pay attention. You are going to listen and read the poem, Okay, pay attention.
Listening 118. Read and listen to the poem.
Follow with your finger.
What am I am an animal at the zoo. Listen now, this is true. I'm yellow and brown, my tongue is red. I've got 2 little ears on top of my head. My neck is long and I am tall. I haven't got any hands at all. I can see the tops of trees. My food is there. I like green leaves. To get my food, my tongue is long. Can you guess? Don't get it wrong. So what am I? Do you know? Point to me and say hello.
Okay, so now, okay, sorry. You are going to read it now aloud, okay? When you finish, you are going to complete exercise number 3. Remember, you are going to write true, verdadero, or false, falso, okay? Then when you finish, close your class book and open your workbook in page 84. Okay, now here write the short date, and we are going to have another poem. So listen to me and pay attention to the pronunciation because you are going to read it aloud. At the zoo. Look at the boys and the girls too. Tall ones, short ones at the zoo. They like seals, monkeys too. Big ones, little ones at the zoo. They like zebras and snakes too. Long ones, short ones at the zoo. Now you are going to read it aloud. When you finish, you are going to tick the animals that you listen in the poem, okay? And then you are going to answer exercise number 3, and you are going to read the sentences and you are going to say if they are true or false, okay? Close your workbook. Now, the last activity is the family time. So, you can express your feelings in a poem. So, you are going to write and illustrate how do you feel during these days, and you can do it alone or with your family, okay? And when you finish, don't forget to sing and dance the goodbye song, okay? So, have an excellent weekend, and to you, dear moms, happy Mother's Day.